Adilabad I had played district and undergone a district match, so I have been selected for nationals, which is to be held on 27th of January at Lucknow. So by God's grace, I have won at Adilabad, and I'm even trying for the nationals. I even have support of my family, my parents, and my sir, who has brought me up till here. And I had played a lot. I had full support of my parents that I'm at this step, and I even and I'm even praying that I should win at Lucknow and stand up by all the expectations and wishes that are given by my parents and my sirs and my teachers, who all expect everything from me. National, it's a golden chance for me to put up Telangana's name above everybody's head. So will try my best. I'll try my best to win this nationals and come up and win a title for my Telangana. So this has been the golden opportunity and I don't want to lose it. So this is the thing I wanted to tell.